You are going to love the 2013 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, alloy wheels, traction control, fog lights, interval wipers, rear wiper, DVD player, keyless entry, cruise control, trip computer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.